Wait, this is unreal.
Welcome to @Fishakeem_reacts Vlogmas episodes.
I'm so very excited for this one. What's up, guys? It's a Jamaican friend here with a brand new reaction. So on this reaction, I'm gonna react to Hardo Unravel. It's my first time checking out this particular track. So without further ado, people, let's see what they're up to. Peace. Wow, beautiful music. Very beautiful music. The instrument is just so perfectly amazing. Okay, guys, so let's continue. The energy here is totally unmatched. It's my first time checking them out and I'm literally feeling energized. It seems as if I'm in the crowd with them. They are just so rocking it. They are killing it. Whoa, this is like a mind-blowing experience. I'm literally having a great time right now just by listening to the instrument, the way the people are vibing to them, the way they're projecting their voices. Very, very good. And I'm enjoying it thus far. Let's continue. Wait, this is unreal. This is this is totally unreal. Whoa, this is dope. Wait, this is insane. It's giving me a vibe like I'm inside that. Is an arena? Or a club? It could be something like that. If I'm saying it wrong, you guys please help me out. We are there right now. If it's inside a arena, but either way, it is an excellent energy. Very energizing song. Very energetic crowd. Whoa. This is super good. Super. I'm so sorry that this music isn't really a Jamaican song, but it's giving me a rock and roll vibe, right? It's giving me a one drop beat vibe. It's giving me a Ramstein vibe. Whoa, I love this band. I love this band. I love this band. It's very energetic people, I could say. Well done. Extremely good. Whoa, I enjoy every bit of this performance, every bit of this bands, bro. Whoa. This is sick. Whoa. Whoa. This was well done. The way she calm and kills the beat. It is dope. Totally dope. Beautiful. Just amazing. Guys, thank you so much for watching. What are your thoughts on this? And if you guys do have any more suggestions that I could check them out with, don't forget to comment, leave a like on the video, smash the subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor here. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.